24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano, all things considered, is drifting at $198,251,475 in an especially huge manner. ADA sort of acquired roughly 1.74% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Cardano's EMA10 really shows an essentially descending pattern, which sort of is very critical. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 0.11% in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. 08 July 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time. Sort of sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What generally is most certainly transient cost expectation for Cardano, essentially is a buy and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on in an all things considered significant way. Be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the ADA specialized examination, most certainly allowed us truly to discuss the really current economic situations, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953, which most certainly is very critical. The all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $20,577,638,440 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Extremely further appearance. How Cardano support and opposition levels, and so on in a truly significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%, which explicitly shows that market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an unpretentious manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the by and large all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $20,577,638,440, which explicitly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span, showing that however prior to plunging, most certainly profound into the ADA specialized examination in every practical sense, let us truly discuss the sort of current economic situations, which sort of is very huge. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.66 and presently exchanging at 47 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an extremely huge way. These occasions really show that the market certainly is going in a kind of descending heading for commonly present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of now, a sort of broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Cardano's EMA10 sort of shows a really descending pattern, which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more by and large dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move essentially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely huge. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA truly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.74% in very most recent 24 hours, which generally shows that following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution. ADA truly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.74% in sort of most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. The truly current worth of Cardano certainly is floating at 29 cents, with the exchanging volume of $198,251,475 United States dollars in the equivalent time period. So various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically, has seen a value diminishing of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the truly complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $20,577,638,440, or so they really thought. The really in general market cap for ADA most certainly is $10,114,678,858 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.11% over the course of the week. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of additional appearance. How Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 08 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting that similarly, opposition for the most part, is a level at which dealers truly move truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, really in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Cardano, which most certainly shows that help most certainly is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more beautiful dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they in a real sense thought. The ADA United States dollar moving truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker for the most part, is demonstrating and in every practical sense, present moment basically sell pretty sign, as the MACD line really is moving underneath. Certainly signal line which for the most part implies buy, and large bears truly are ruling on the lookout, showing how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us certainly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which sort of is very critical. While ADA's Williams %R marker especially is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an